We are almost to Glacier and we stopped. We just saw these wild horses just standing and hanging out beside the road. Hi, horsey. We finally made it to Glacier National Park, and we got a little muddy along the way. One of the roads leading in here was completely gone, and all that was left was just dirt. I guess they were doing some construction, but I'll turn around here and you can check out the view from our site. We got the beautiful Montana Rocky Mountains in the background, and it's nice and cool here. And we're gonna go check out the visitor center next, I think. Have you seen Oli? Go in it and see it? After the visitor center, we hopped back in the car and headed up the Going to the Sun Road to check out St. Mary Lake. Along the side of the road, we had our first bear sighting of the trip. What do you see, buddy?
You should probably get our pictures again.
What?
We need to try to get a family picture right here.
Yeah, I brought bear spray.
My shoes are completely wet.
Mine are too.
On the outside,
Yeah,
not on the inside.
mine are starting to feel wet on the inside too.
I know it's rained so much, everything's completely soaked.
Mine are wet on the inside because they're largely.
What you doing, Noli?
Rocking my chair and my head's upside down. Looking at you. Wait, why is there a tall tree right there? Daddy, what's that stuff on the tree?
I don't know.
What?
Is s'mores your favorite part of camping?
Yeah.
You like s'mores, Noli?
Yeah. I like all of the parts of camping. Me too. Like Glacier. I thought you just said that your favorite part of camping is Glacier.
You like glaciers?
Oh, that Glacier.
He likes Glacier, like the park.
So we're here at the entrance to the Many Glacier area at Glacier, and they've shut the parking lot down because there's too many people up there right now. You can see the guy in the background back there. So we're all sitting here having a picnic and hoping that we can get in when they open it back up.
Glacier, we had to wait for 2 hours to get in, and then it was a completely disorganized disaster sort of when they finally let people in. But we did get in, and we got to where we wanted to hike, and it's pouring rain. But at least there's ice cream.
I could see how.
What do you got, Nolan? Ice
Ice cream.
cream?
The train out here.
The rain finally tapered off to a sprinkle, and we decided to give it a chance and head out onto the trail. We were told that the best trail would be the Swift Current Trail. It was relatively flat, and there's a couple of lakes and waterfalls to check out along the way. Don't go in the
Assume the one going uphill. What are you doing? You can't do it. You're gonna drag your knees. What are you doing? Okay, well that's fun. No, it's the same.
What are you looking for, Nolan?
Okay, yeah. We were there.
Oh, and I'm not sure if he's
We were
here.
kayaking there, and we found a beaver dam, and we also
A beaver
found
dam.
beavers.
Dan. He's gonna go all the way around. He hasn't actually. You're gonna go around the whole lake? He hasn't actually seen a beaver Dan. He just thinks.
A beaver over there.
I don't know.
I don't see the beaver.
Beaver nest. A beaver nest. Called a beaver dam. Beaver dam. You see the,
Not a Dan, a dam.
you see the beaver dam. Add an M to that.
Beaver dam.
Add an M to that.
Nolan, what are you doing? That's really cool. I really like this. I hear people or a bear. Nolan, what is he doing? He's chasing a bird with a stick. Nolan, come here. Thank goodness he's never gonna catch it.
It's like quick mud.
Yeah. Don't step on it. Don't.
I was just putting my foot on it.
Don't be a Nolan.
Yeah, if you stepped in this, you would definitely sink.
Yep, you would. This is like quicksand. You go and
I gotta show you something. Daddy, that was we made a boat out of fish and we float away to that beaver nest. It's finally stopped raining and we got to hike. It's quite a bit muddy and Nolan keeps stepping in mud puddles, of course. And so now his shoes are wet. And I think it's worth hiking in the mud because we get to be in this beautifulness. Hey there, hey there. Wow, we're gonna see snow, I bet.
Oh, chasing a squirrel.
way up in that tree, aren't you? What do you think of the waterfall?
I think it's really awesome. I'm very loud.
What'd you do, Noli? What do you see, Nolan?
Waterfall! I like going that way.
The waterfall's going that way? As we rounded a bend in the trail, we came upon a big surprise. There was a mama moose and her calf just off the side of the trail. Moose have been known to be aggressive sometimes when protecting their young, so we gave her plenty of space until she and her baby casually walked around where we were standing and back down the trail. As we got back in our car and headed back to St. Mary Campground for the evening, Many Glacier had a couple more surprises for us. We were treated to a couple of excellent bear sightings from our car as we drove out of the area.
Oh, yeah.